Hey there, video enthusiasts! Today, I'm excited to show you how to swap faces in your videos for free. Let's jump right in. First, let's fire up Chrome. Next, search for Mio Create Face Swap. Now, click on the first link that appears, select Video Face Swap. Now, upload the video from which you want to swap faces. Select the image you want to swap faces with. Click on Swap Face now to initiate the face swap process. Let's give it a moment to work its magic. Simply click on Download to save it to your device. And there you have it. Your video with the swapped faces is ready. And that's how easy it is to swap faces in your videos for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and happy face swapping!